In this video, let's see how to create a roster that includes activities. Click on the Reports tab on the left menu bar and then select All Rosters. Ensure that you have chosen the correct location, enrollment period, and dates. Next, decide if you want each page to include a single day, week, or month. Click on Single if you want to build one roster per class. Select Multiple if you want to combine all classes into one roster. If you have done this before, you may have saved headers from previous configurations. Next, configure one or more columns to appear on the left-hand side of the roster. Create the column structure and then edit the names on each column. Type in the new label for the column in the text field provided. Click the Save button to confirm the new label for the column. Next, determine which fields from the enrollment form you would like to autofill into the newly created columns. Select the Full Name checkbox from the list of enrollee fields in the modal. Click the Submit button in the modal to save the changes. Now, edit the columns that will repeat for every date. This is where the activities will be autofilled. Enter a new label name in the text field within the modal pop-up. Click the Save button to confirm the new label name in the modal pop-up. Click the Change Values button underneath the new column name to determine which activities you would like to include. Click on the Submit button in the modal. Once the roster has been configured, click on the Submit button in the form. From here, either print the roster or download it as a CSV file.